Last year, everyone was using the fidget spinner, and now after this summer, no one has been using the fidget spinners. Why?
The fidget spinner.
Will it still spin if I throw it in a toilet?
Yeah, this is 682.
This is 4,600.
Oh man, isn't this the best life ever?
Gotta start with a solid foundation. The golden beauty. Oh, what is this? Keemstar's Fidget My Spinner?
Reality.
My haters doubted me, said I could never become a fidget. Can you spin me, please? Give me a good spin. Oh no, I'm going the other way. Yeah!
This new trend, this toy called a fidget spinner. Here it is. Yeah, this thing right here.
Fidget widget!
YouTubers have been making lots and lots of live streams and videos about these fidget spinners and have been gaining tons and tons and tons and thousands and millions of subscribers. Even on my old channel, my old YouTube channel that I had, I made a fidget spinner video and it got over 43,000 views. And rumor has it that one of the Toys R Us got shut down for buying too many fidget spinners and didn't have enough money to profit off of selling them, so they shut down, guys. And the stores and the factories, they're loaded with fidget spinners and they don't know what to do with them. And honestly, I have a ton of fidget spinners myself. I probably have 45 to 50 fidget spinners and I have no clue what to do with them. And it's just crazy how fast this fidget spinner trend died down. And there's even like been people that don't even know what to do with them. They just throw them on the streets.
I just found a fidget spinner on the ground.
And they even throw them away.
Toss right into the garbage.
I wonder what people are doing with them now. Why?
Lovely weather, sleigh ride together with you.